Who did that? Don't look up there. I'm talking to y'all.
Who did this mess? Who did this?
Who took the cookie off the counter? Who stole the cookie off the counter? So I'm going to ask you one last time. Who stole the cookie off the counter?
Did you?
Zorro, who did all of this? Who did all of this? He did this? Who did this?
Who did it? Who did it? Roxy.
Did you eat my card? Huh? Hey. You did eat my card.
Are you bad? Are you bad? Bucks, were you bad?
Girl, who pooped in the kitchen? Benny, you pooped in the kitchen? Look, did you? Somebody made it. Who made it? Who made this mess?
You chew the chopping board, Chloe. Did you do it? Did you chew the chopping board like this on all corners? Chloe, that's such a bad girl. Don't look at me.
Did you do this? Winston. Winston, did you chew on these?
Any crumbs. So, who did it? Major, Gracie,